All-brick rambling raised ranch has undergone a superb full-gut remodel. Eagle-eye attention to detail throughout from beautiful knotty floors, spacious laundry room, and 2 natural gas fireplaces. Open concept on the main provides for free-flowing living starting in a dreamy kitchen with granite countertops, backsplash, island, and crisp white cabinets. Redesigned master bathroom provides a fully tiled shower and double sink vanity. Let your imagination run wild in a multi-purpose basement, full bath and 2.5 car oversized garage. Better than new here, all while boasting tall mature trees on a handsomely sized lot. A recently added front porch enhances the dimension of the classic architecture. Start fresh in an established neighborhood with a maintenance-free like new home.